We are on day 3 of this accessory building build. Yesterday we ended up getting both walls all situated. I spent a little time probably off camera just getting the corners locked together, making sure the braces were all good, but hopefully third wall, third day. So I'm laying out the top and bottom plates and we're gonna start marking everything off. I just have one window on this wall that will need a header, so I have to find some OSB somewhere to cut apart and then we'll pack that all together. But I'm basically gonna do what I've been doing, just mark off the plates and just start rocking and rolling. So I'm gonna set you guys up and we'll get moving and grooving for the day. Let's hope that we can get this wall up by the end of today. Hopefully my neighbors can jump back here for a few minutes just to help throw the wall up real quick. They've been fantastic the last 2 days throwing the walls up with me. I just give them a little heads up. They jump up here, throw the wall up, and then scoot out. So it's been perfect. And even though I could have used the wall jacks, like I said, it's kind of been nice that I didn't have to bust them out, dig holes, all that kind of stuff. So I'm gonna get started, and hopefully if we can get this third wall up, maybe I can even get started on the front wall, or at least get the header piece together for what will be over top the barn door, so that tomorrow morning I can blow the fourth wall out. Before I do that, I gotta roll the cistern into the back of the building. So I'm gonna take a little extra time tomorrow, but we're supposed to get rain starting tomorrow around lunchtime through the weekend. So I'm trying to get as much done as I possibly can before that rain comes. So with no further ado, let me get started. All right, so this is the bottom and top plate are all marked up. Let me kind of show you what's going on. Sorry for the shadow, but basically I just, I'm doing my normal marks, as far as my studs. But like I said, there's a window going in, and that window can basically sit anywhere in this general vicinity. The hope is that, I can basically put the kings and jacks in, install the header, still have enough room to lift it over this, insulated water line, and then just fill in the sill and the cripples when the wall's upright. That's the hope, at least. So I'm gonna start separating these, grab some 2x6s, and let's start putting this wall together. So I decided that the top of the window would sit at 88. So basically all I'm doing is I cut the jacks, I just shot them in, and now I'm gonna basically cut some header material and try and find an OSB so that I can slip in between this so I get the thickness of the 2x6 wall. And basically I'll cut 3 of these 39 inches and then a piece of OSB that fits 39 by the 9 1/4 or whatever. And then I'll basically just sandwich them all together to make the header. I'll slip it right in, shoot it, put some cripples in there, and then we can basically stand the wall up, and then I'll fill in the cripples and the windowsill after I put the wall up. At least that's the idea right now. So I don't know how much longer the battery's gonna last in my phone, so I'm just gonna set up the camera and let it roll. that went in really nice and snug, just like I wanted it to. Everything lines up really well. I'm just going to toenail it in to where it is now. That way I can just measure up, get the cripples in, and that way we can get closer to standing the wall up. But I got a few items to do on the bottom over there to get ready for when the wall goes up, and then I'm just going to put on the top plate and the bottom plate, which should be ready to rock. If the camera shuts off, I'll bring you guys back later. I'll tell you, it is super annoying when I move the camera and think I turned it on and finished what I'm doing. I really just wanted to show you guys what I was doing on top of the header. Instead of just putting the cripples from the header to the top plate, basically what I normally do is I just cut another piece across. I fit my cripples in between. That way this little piece, which I just slipped in here, is one unit, and I get these shot in really nice from the bottom. So basically these got shot into this, then it got slid down, nice and plumb, shot these in, and then shot this into the header so it's nice and snug. Now I'm gonna cut the pieces that I can for the window just to have them ready, get the bottom and top plate on, and then that way we're ready to lift the wall when my neighbors show up. You guys ready to rock?
Ready.
All right, ready?
This is the 30-second exercise.
Hold on 1 2 3.
Perfect, huh?
You guys got it?
Yeah.
I'm gonna
Just
give
like
it a little tap down there real quick. We're like maybe an 1/8 inch away. You guys think I should just hang out and let them hold it? Ready? Damn! 3 walls, 3 days. That is not a bad day 3. 3 walls, 3 days. Hopefully the rain holds off tomorrow so that we can at least throw this last wall up, and I will feel much better knowing that all the walls are essentially supported, again, because it's not sitting on any kind of subfloor. But good day, nice pretty window. I'm gonna clean up. Dayna is coming home. I am super excited. I think she actually may be here in the next 15-20 minutes. I look like Grizzly Adams, so I'm gonna try and take a quick shower, clean up a little bit, and we will catch you guys later. Have a great night.